After years of rumors and speculation, Kawasaki has officially unveiled not one, but two brand new two-stroke race bikes for 2027, the KX327X cross-country racer and the KX327 motocross machine. And these aren't just updated versions of old models. They're built around an entirely new 327cc fuel-injected two-stroke engine, the first fuel-injected two-stroke Kawasaki has ever produced. The advanced dual-injection fuel system eliminates the need for traditional jetting adjustments, automatically compensating for changes in temperature, altitude, and weather conditions. Kawasaki says the system delivers crisp throttle response, strong traction, and a remarkably linear power character throughout the rev range. Unlike some modern two-strokes, the KX327X and KX327 do not feature oil injection. Riders will continue the traditional two-stroke ritual of mixing fuel and oil at a 32-to-1 ratio. A newly designed exhaust power valve and expansion chamber-style exhaust system work together to broaden the power band, creating strong low-end torque while maintaining smooth, predictable power delivery into the mid-range. This characteristic is especially beneficial in technical terrain, where maintaining momentum is often more important than outright horsepower. To further refine the riding experience, Kawasaki has incorporated a single-shaft primary balancer that helps reduce vibration without compromising the lively feel expected from a high-performance two-stroke. The KX327X has been designed specifically for cross-country and enduro. It features a 6-speed close-ratio transmission with an ultra-low first gear, making it particularly suited to technical sections, steep climbs, and hard enduro environments. A hydraulic clutch ensures smooth and consistent engagement under demanding riding conditions, while electric start provides quick and reliable starts at the push of a button. For riders who prefer motocross tracks and closed course competition, Kawasaki offers the KX327. Sharing much of its siblings' hardware, the motocross-focused machine receives a 5-speed transmission and a 19-inch rear wheel, compared to the KX327X's 18-inch setup. The frame is based on Kawasaki's proven KX450 platform. It's a lightweight aluminum perimeter design built from forged, cast, and extruded aluminum sections. Suspension duties are handled by premium KYB components. Up front, you'll find a fully adjustable 48mm inverted coil-spring fork. At the rear, Kawasaki's famous Uni-Trak linkage system works with a fully adjustable KYB shock. Stopping power comes from Nissan brakes with a 270mm front rotor and a 240mm rear disc. The KX327X rides on a traditional 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel combination fitted with Dunlop Geomax AT82 tires, while both motorcycles benefit from premium Excel wheel rims and Renthal handlebars. Riders can choose from 4 handlebar mounting positions and 2 foot peg positions, allowing the cockpit to be tailored to different riding styles and body sizes. ODI Lock-On grips come standard, enhancing comfort and simplifying grip replacement. The bikes also incorporate practical features designed specifically for off-road racing, including quick-release side panels for rapid air filter access during maintenance. One of the most interesting features is Kawasaki's RIDEOLOGY app compatibility. Using your smartphone, you'll be able to access maintenance reminders, riding logs, and engine mapping adjustments. The bike also features a handlebar-mounted map switch that allows riders to select between 2 different power modes. Interestingly, Kawasaki has kept things relatively simple. There is currently no traction control and no quick shifter. Kawasaki lists the KX327 at approximately 233.7 pounds, or 106 kilograms. That makes it impressively light considering the displacement and modern electronics package. They feature a translucent 2.2-gallon fuel tank, allowing riders to quickly check fuel levels without removing the cap. The 2027 KX327X will arrive in dealerships in late 2026 with a suggested retail price of $9,699 and the KX327 at $9,099. Additional standard equipment on the KX327X includes handguards, a skid plate, linkage protection, rear disc protection, and a side stand, features that help justify its slight price premium over the motocross version. For years, riders have been asking manufacturers to push two-stroke technology forward. Now, Kawasaki has answered that call. The KX327X and KX327 combine everything enthusiasts love about two-strokes: lightweight, simplicity, and explosive performance, with modern fuel injection and advanced electronics. If these bikes perform as the specifications suggest, Kawasaki may have just launched one of the most exciting off-road motorcycles of the decade. But what do you think? Would you choose this new fuel-injected KX327 over a modern four-stroke? Or are you sticking with traditional motocross machines? Let us know in the comments below.